Hello, friends, welcome to my channel Tech and ICT Solutions, with another new video. Today, I will show how to change your Gmail account password within 1 minute by a computer. So, let's try to do this. I hope you can learn this very easily by watching this video. You can see, at first, I log on to my Gmail accounts. Now click on the Setting option, and select See All Setting. After this, we can see different types of setting options, and we select Accounts, and Import options there. We can see Changing the Password option available here. So, now, click on the Change Password option. Type your old password. To continue, first verify it's you. And click on Next. Now, type your new password, and confirm your password again, into the below box, for confirmation. Now, click on Change Password. Your Gmail password successfully changed. Then, you can view other security options, and if you want, you can change this from here. I hope now you can change your Gmail password very easily by following my step. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.